Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe and I am your host for today. Today we're going to unbox a package that just came from Primera Kuwait, all the way from Kuwait. And I've been waiting for this for a while. It came to me while I was in Istanbul, Turkey, and now I'm going to crack it open and see what's inside. Love the way it's packed. And we're going to have a look at all the beautiful things that are in here right now. All right, I've taken the beautiful ribbon off, sliding the sleeve right off, and don't want this stuff to fall, but here it is right here. Oh, it just fell. Let's see what's in here, folks. Let's see what's in here. I have 3 perfumes: Ibiza Night Intense, Unique, and Cigar Oud. I think I've heard a lot of good things about these. So let's have a look at this right here. And we're going to open her up and see what it's all about. So pardon me while I crack open this plastic. Very excited about Primera Kuwait. They are going to be joining us for Scent Explore 2022. So really excited to have Batter with us. And of course I opened this thing upside down, but that's okay. As far as the cardboard box goes, it's a very standard cardboard box. I think Batter did mention something about improving on the packaging as well. So who knows, you might see some new bottles. You may see some new boxes. I'm just preparing everything and getting it ready to go. So pardon me while I crack these open. And we're going to do a first impression unboxing of all of these. First impression, of course, I have not tried these yet. Inside of each of the boxes is a card, just like this, with the information about it. So I do like that, and it's going to come in very handy. So I don't have to go on the internet getting my boxes put away there. And then the Cigar Oud one really intrigues me, that's for sure. So I think I'm going to probably save that for last, just because I have a feeling that that's going to be a heavy hitter. So let's have a look here. Let me pull out my card. That's it. All right, so let's begin with the first one. Now that I've got all that done, let's go with Unique. Let's do Unique. That's in here. Got the sleeve here, the little velvet pouch that it sits in. Here it is, Unique, right there. 100 ml. Very simple packaging, but you know, it is what it is, and nothing fancy that needs to be about it, because it's all about right now the perfume that's in here. So here's what's unique about Unique. Oh, so nice. This one features Spanish saffron, bergamot, sandalwood, musk, amber, and vanilla. Seems like it could be a very simple fragrance, but yet very nice, very enjoyable. I like this DNA. Very nice. Saffron, amber, vanilla, sandalwood. It's a woody, sort of sweet, spicy fragrance. Woody, sweet, spicy fragrance. Not much more to be said about that. Next, from Primera Kuwait, we have Ibiza Nights. Ibiza Nights. Eau de Parfum. Looks just like that, folks. Looks just like that. Let's give this a little spray. Ooh, okay. Different. got a lot going on. In fact, this is probably the most complex of the three that I got. Bergamot, ginger, black fig, pineapple, apple, tuberose, birch, jasmine, patchouli, juniper berry, ambergris, oak moss, musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. You'll notice that about 2/3 of the notes here, you would think that that is Aventus. It's true. A lot of these notes are featured in Aventus. And I'm here to tell you that this is not, and if, as far as it could go, not an Aventus cologne by any means. Doesn't even smell like it. Not at all. The notes may resemble that, but there are nothing about this smells like Aventus. So that's already off to a great start with that. So last but not least, Cigar Oud. I've been looking forward to this one for a while. The name says it all. Let's have a look at Cigar Oud. Ooh, okay, I do smell the honey in this one. Orange, spices, bergamot, saffron, patchouli, vanilla, cigar, sandalwood, amber, oud accord, honey, and tobacco. Wow. There's a lot of honey and tobacco in this. Less oud than there is honey and tobacco, but this thing definitely has it going on for sure. Definitely has it going on for sure. Okay. All right. That's pretty awesome. I would say that's pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to what these will do on skin. I think I have almost every single one of the Primera Kuwait fragrances that are out there. You can find Primera Kuwait online. Just follow them on Instagram. I'll include a link below. If you don't already know who they are, make sure to check them out. And that's my short and sweet. Call it short and sweet. Beautiful review here on these three. This is, again, first impression. I'll be rocking these on skin. And I want to thank Primera Kuwait for sending these my way. And I will let you know more details about them as I wear them. And you'll see my first impression on, oh, well, not my first impression, but you'll see my actual take on them once they're on my skin. Again, I just tested on paper as a quick way to kind of get a feel for what these are like. But so far, so good. I'm impressed. And I'll see you again in another video. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you for tuning in. Take care and have a great day.